going to have the foam roller at the front, so I like to have my arms into Y, but you can keep them parallel. Let's make sure we do a slight external rotation of the shoulder, bicep facing up, and we also make sure we keep the feet on the ground. We try and lift that pelvic floor, so we're not using just the lower back to lift. Yeah, we're trying to lift that belly button off the mat as well and brace that rib cage down. Yeah, instead of having the ribs flaring, we want to try and focus on that. I'm always just thinking more about pushing onto the foam roller rather than lifting my back. So I'm actually using my upper back muscles to lift up. And take the time to articulate your spine as well. Yeah, we want to try and find a lovely spine articulation. Yeah, so segment. There's a lot of variations. You can stay here and then start lifting the legs as well a little bit to find deeper. There's the dynamic ones as well that you can do up and down. There are some extra upper back and shoulder activation movement that we can do here through tricep pulls. I really like that one personally. But this is quite a nice exercise to do to find a bit more back extension while also still articulating through the shoulders and the core.